Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can do motion tracking in After Effects. So let's get started. So this is our footage. I've downloaded this from pixels.com and author is Spacemaster, so please check out. So we need to find something to track and we can apply that data to our text motion tracking with the lines. So first thing we need to do and make sure the anchor point is here at the bottom, not in the center. To do that, go to anchor point tool, press Y and move this center point to bottom here, so that when we apply the tracking data, it is stick to something, whatever we try to attach it. So now we need to find something to track which is visible throughout the footage. So I can see this button is visible throughout the footage, so I'll drag this and apply it to our text. To track, select your video and go to tracker. If this is not visible, go to window and click on the tracker, so it will show up here. So again select your footage and click on track motion. You'll see this two boxes comes here. Small one is for the reference what needs to be tracked, and outer area is for the search region. If it goes up and down, it will try to search in this area. You can make it larger, but the more bigger it is, it will take more time to track. And you can track forward, backward, both ways. As you can see here, we have this option, analyze forward, analyze backward, or if you want, frame by frame, that also you can do. So I'll hit forward. So now this is tracking. So tracking is done. Now you need to apply this data to our comp1, which has text and line. For doing that, you need to click on edit target and select the layer. Right now we have just two layers, so it is by default selecting the upper one, the second layer. Hit OK, and bottom we have this reset and apply. I'll apply. It will ask you want to apply to X, Y or both. So X it will go horizontally, whatever data it has captured, and Y is vertically. So I'll apply to both and hit OK. Now if you go back here to our comp, you can see position is now keyframe. So whatever data we had captured, it is applied to this. And now if you play back, the text motion tracking with the lines will stick to this button. So it will track properly and apply the data to our text. So this way you can do basic motion tracking in After Effects. Hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching.